Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable Bluetooth speaker that is waterproof with IPX7. This is a pull speaker, built-in mic, crystal clear sound. Alright, so this is offered in 3 different colors. You've got the purple, a white, also a yellow. So this works underwater. It has a very nice lighting set, different colors, multicolored LED mood lights. This is an IPX7 waterproof floating pull speaker. Can immerse up to 3 feet for 30 minutes underwater. It has Bluetooth 4.2, support hands-free calls. Wireless shower speaker. You can enjoy your favorite music in shower, in the bath, in the pool. Ultra portable, easy to enjoy music, whether you're on the beach, you're sleeping, at a party, doing yoga, in a bathtub. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. So first off we have our charger. This does charge up this device. You have the user manual. Inside this user manual, it'll tell you how to connect the Bluetooth feature, how to fast forward, how to rewind a song, how to turn the volume up, how to turn the volume down, how to change the lights, how to turn it on and off. So the IPX7 rated protection safeguards against rain, dust, snow, and spills. It's proved the Bluetooth speaker waterproof can be immersed underwater of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and still keep in good condition. It means you can enjoy a strong pool party that's not afraid of bad weather. So once we pull off the speaker at the top, you can see that there's a speaker. You have your little menu buttons. Down here is the light. So it is not up to the 5.2 Bluetooth, but it does support the 4.2 Bluetooth connectivity. So you have your light button, your volume up, fast forward. You have your play, pause, and turn on button. You have your back and volume down. And then there's a speaker at the top. There's the light indicator. You have these little side things. So if you want to put it on a string and hang it up, you can. Here is the charger port. So when it is not being charged and it is in water, it is recommended you leave that plastic on there. The little rubber to keep the charger port clean. Here is the light. You do get a rubber base at the bottom so it doesn't move around. Happen you put this on a table. So this also can be used when listening not only to music, but you can also answer calls without using your phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the lights, and then I'm going to connect our phone so you can hear the music. So this is the flashing feature. So now I'm going to set up my phone and have it connect so you can hear it play. So now we're going to have these music playing. So this turns the volume all the way up. So you got where it's flashing to the music. It'll flash like a party mode. You can change the light to different light settings. So right now it is just doing the flashing mode. You can change it to the different colors. So this has a long-lasting battery of up to 8 hours after a full charge. So let's go ahead and turn the volume up. So now you can hear how loud it is. This is great with a built-in microphone. You can actually take calls, not only listen to music to this. It floats. So when I am going to put this in the pool, you can see what the pool looks like with just these lights on. You have these little side clips that you could put on a string. There is the speaker right there, and the bottom is where the light is. The dimensions of this is 5.16 by 5.12 by 4.3 inches. It weighs about 15.8 ounces. It has a lithium-ion battery. So now we have the blue color. We're going to change it to a different color. So now this is a aqua color, and I'm going to go ahead and throw it into the pool. So let's change onto the color to see if it'll go with the music. Okay, there is the party mode, the flashing party mode. You have your green, there's your red, blue, teal, and then you have a purple pink. So I'm going to toss this into the water. It doesn't hurt it. Sometimes tossing it in, it might roll over to the speakers facing inside the water, so I had to go in there and flip it back over. But you can see how it's floating. All the lights in there. I'm going to have to wait for my night lights to come off out in the backyard so you can see it completely dark. So now that it's completely dark, you can see how it's lighting up the whole pool. This swimming pool is a 24-foot by 52, and it's pretty much lighting it all up. So it's doing the flashing mode. If you want to change the color, you just push the little color button at the top. So you can change your color. You can also change it to where it starts flashing when the music goes off, so it's in sync with the music. So it's doing the purple, the red, the green, the blue, the aqua, the white. So it looks pretty nice in the swimming pool. So now that we got it out of the swimming pool, we had to look at this. It's nice and dried now. So if you want to change the volume up, you push the volume. You have to hold it down for a couple seconds. And when you sync it to your phone, it should say BT601. That is the Bluetooth for the speaker. 601. It's asking if you want to pair it. You'll click yes, you want to pair it. And then you can listen to your music. It is fairly loud. It is a nice speaker for inside your pool. So if you're out there playing in your pool or having a barbecue, this is a nice little speaker. So if you're looking for a nice waterproof speaker to go in for your pool when you guys are swimming to hear some music and take calls. So if you're looking for a nice pool speaker that is waterproof, that has a lot of lights, and you can listen to your music as well as take calls, I would definitely say check this one out. This is definitely a must-have.